and welcome to Racist Airlines, where we make fun of every race. Excuse me, Mr. Black Man. I've been getting some complaints from the people sitting in front of you that there is a black man sitting behind them. So can you please move to the back of the plane? Thank you. Excuse me, fat lady. I've been getting some complaints from the person sitting next to you that you are throwing all of your fried chicken crumbs on him. So can you please eat some vegetables? Thank you. Stupid fat people. Don't you dare! Don't you dare try to tell me to eat some vegetables? I demand some cookies right now. Give me some cookies. I'm going to KFC and I'm getting me some fried. Excuse me, retarded disabled lady. I've been getting some complaints that your retardedness is so annoying. You keep going, and you have a wheelchair. Can you please go to the freaking disabled class? Thank you.
1 plus 1? I don't know what that equals. It equals 8. It equals 8.
Hey, excuse me, Beaner. I am hungry. Go pick me some damn beans. What? You don't speaky? You don't speaky? I don't care. Go pick me some beans, Beaner. Hey, Chinese man. Go make me some noodles. Hey, Chinese, me no dumb. Me stick finger up my bum.
Bah! Bah! This has been a crazy production!